Alright guys, so there's been lots of discussions on the forums, Facebook groups, and such about the COYOTE TICK. We all know it's been going on since about the cars have been introduced back in late 2010, 2011 time frame. Lots of people freak out about it, trying to figure out how to fix it, so on and so forth. But I have a easy way and a cheap way to fix the tick, and this goes for all the COYOTEs from 11 through 2019 through current. Again, anyone can do it. Really doesn't cost much money. It just takes a little bit of time. I think I've found the flaw in the design of these engines, so I'll go ahead and I'll show you what I did to fix the COYOTE TICK in my car. I'll give you a start up just so you can see that it is gone. There you have it. There's the fix for the COYOTE TICK. It's called Stop Being a Pussy and Open Up Your Exhaust and Have Fun with the Car. Have a good one.